correct for you to try. Once you get the answer in exam, don't try this. Only for your sake, I am giving this now. 26 square equals to 25 plus 25 square plus 7 square. No, it does not match because a slight mismatch. But then also mismatch is a mismatch. So this does not apply. So only answer is C. Next, a triangle can be constructed taking two of its angles as means the question is in the triangle means three angles, there are three angles. So which of these two angles can be the part of the triangle? So basic logic is sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So definitely the two angles will be less than 180. So sum of any two angles of a triangle is less than 180. So which one is that? Is if you check every one, the answer is B. 100 plus 70, 170. Remaining all are greater than 180 or equal to 180. Even this is not okay. C means 90 plus 90, 180. This can't be a triangle because these two lines will be parallel. Similarly 30, 150. This will be 30 and this will be 150. So these two lines will also be parallel to each other. They won't intersect. So they won't form a triangle. Answer is B only. A triangle can be constructed using which of the following three sides? Here, these. Any side of a triangle should be greater than the difference of the other two sides. Here, this we have discussed earlier also in the earlier video and earlier chapter also, properties of triangle. Kindly check that chapter. There are two properties of any triangle: greater than the difference and less than the sum of the two sides. So check this, which one is this? In only B the answer lies so. In all others, the side is less than the difference. 6.5 minus 2.5, 4. So 2.5 is less than this. 5.5 minus 2.2 is 3. So, see, this is equal. Means even if equal is not allowed, it should be greater than. Right? 4 minus 2.5 equals to 1.5. It's equal. Equal is not allowed. So, answer is D only. Download Yoguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp on the number for any query related to purchases. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.